Revenue settlement systems of British India. First one is permanent settlement, which is also called as Zamindari system, which was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in the year 1793 at the regions of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. So what is the role of Zamindar? So what is this system exactly? So here Zamindar has the ownership of the land, where Zamindars were made the owners of the land. And the Zamindars have to pay to the British, they have to pay a fixed revenue, okay, to the British government every year. A fixed revenue Zamindars has to pay to the British. Next, here the work of Zamindar is to collect the rents from the peasants. So here there are different lands. Okay, so that one person, that is Zamindar, will be taking care of all the lands and he will be collecting the revenue from them and giving it to the Britishers. But he will pay only a fixed revenue to the British. And he can be removed from the post in case of non-payment of revenue on time. If the Zamindar is not paying the Britishers the fixed revenue on time, then he will be removed from the position. Next, why it is called as permanent settlement? Because the revenue was permanent. It never changed even if the production increased. Suppose the agriculture, the crop has more production, increase in the crops or increase in the production, but still the revenue was same. Suppose they are paying 100 rupees. Example, okay, if they are paying 100 rupees, that was fixed. Even if they are earning more than that, they have to just pay 100. Next, how Zamindar? So he is how to become a Zamindar. Here big local elites or the highest payer in the auction or bidding will become the Zamindar. So next is impact. Impact of this system. First is Zamindar became exploitative because they had fixed revenue to pay to the Britishers, so they started collecting more money and they started accumulating more wealth. Squeeze the peasants to pay revenue. That's what. Same thing. They are asking the peasants to pay more. If failed to pay, the peasants lost their land. Okay, the peasants did not have ownership. The owner was Zamindar only. If they are not paying the revenue, they have to leave the land. Peasant became tenants and had no right over the land. Same thing. Suffered heavy taxation. Peasants suffered a lot. Many lost their lands. Many fell into debt. So this Zamindari system was a failure, but a benefit to the Britishers. Thank you.